Hello, I'm Abhinav Agarwal, CTO and co-founder of the Fluid Motion. And today, I'd like to showcase to you a path-breaking and innovative technology to control your computing device with just the flick of a hand. We are very excited to bring this technology to you that will not only change the way you interact with your computer, it will redefine your entire computing experience. It's a technology that works with any computer and any output mechanism, whether you use an LED, LCD, projector, or even your own computer monitor. And the best part is, it requires no devices on you. So we've developed 4 amazing apps, and let's get straight to it. So let's start with the first application. It's for a typical conference room environment. Now, as you can see, I'm controlling the mouse with my hand with perfect pixel point accuracy. Now, this works with a distance of up to 15 feet, which we do believe is quite extraordinary. Indeed, it's a software that's around 10 years ahead of its time. And just to make this experience a lot more fluid, a lot more innovative, we've added gestures to it. So with a simple flick of the hand, I can go ahead and change the tab. I still remember watching Minority Report for the first time, where Tom Cruise puts on a pair of gloves and just magically starts controlling the screen with his hand movements. Well, we've made that a reality now. And the best part is, we don't need the gloves. So let me go on here, click into Chrome. I can go ahead, zoom around, explore the entire browser, all with my hand. What we've done here is made the mouse completely obsolete. I'll go back out. Let me go to the desktop again. Now this one's a personal favorite of mine. This is called Zoom. So what I can do is I can go ahead and make an application as big as I want. It's truly exciting. It's very seamless and very easy to do. And it's just a fun-loving experience. Just like you're controlling your typical touch screens or on your mobile phone. Let me go ahead and launch a PPT. Now, everyone in our careers has done tons of PPTs in conference rooms. This just enhances the complete experience. I can go ahead, with a single flick, I can go ahead and change the slide. And I bet to you that if you ever do a PPT with this technology, it will definitely be a mind-blowing one. So let's get out of here. Go ahead and launch Microsoft Word. So I can actually control everything with great ease. I'm navigating the complete computer. I can go ahead and even select text. And this text automatically gets copied to my very own clipboard. So I have all the functionalities of the mouse. Basically what we've done is completely redefine a computer interface system. Minimizing, maximizing is a pretty big ease. So as soon as I push my left hand down, the window gets minimized. And the same is with maximize. So I just go ahead, push, and it's done. So that's how awesome we've built it. We have complete control. So if I want to just pick up this little window and run it around, I can do that as well. So the experience is truly complete. It does resemble using an actual mouse. In fact, it's better because it's more intuitive. And we feel that this is the future where people will be interacting with their devices. Let me just go back to the main board. So it's as simple, the gestures are built so well, so fluid, that it's really easy to go into any application. So the second app that we've developed is a complete 3D rendering engine. Now we've all seen Tony Stark in Iron Man exploring the 3D virtual world with just his hand movements. And what we've done here is exactly that. So here is a rendered image of a Porsche 911 convertible. I can just go ahead and explore it with my hand movements. And the beauty is that unlike a traditional mouse where I can only put data in 2 dimensions, here I can do all 3 axes. So I can give input data in X, I can go ahead and do it in Y, and I can go ahead and do it ahead in Z. So it gives me complete control and really intuitive interface to access 3D content. What we've gone ahead and done is develop content for realty developers and built entire 3D homes in a virtual environment. So as a consumer, you can just walk in and explore your entire new house to be built in a virtual environment. Or imagine a car showroom where the car you're just about to buy, you can go ahead and explore it from all angles, virtually, in all colors, in all dimensions, and have a truly awesome experience. So that was the 3D rendering app that we're really excited about. So the third app that we've built is a complete virtual menu for retail environments. What we've done here is an example for a car showroom where you get the various models of the cars available. And as a user, I can just walk in front of the screen and start engaging with it. I can go ahead and put my hand over the model that I'd like to see more about, and it takes me to various options. And I can go ahead again. So I'm a big fan of the Jaguar F-Type. I can go into that. Suddenly I can see the various models of the car. Simple flick through takes me to the next image. And I go again, I can see the latest next model. And it's just a breeze and a very interactive system, whereas traditional timed slideshows would not really engage a consumer at any level at all. What we've also gone ahead and done here is built a good level of nesting. So maybe if I go into the F-Type, I get another set of color choices that I can choose from, with the orange, red, or white. I can go ahead and select orange. And so what we can do for companies is we can build infinite levels of nesting where they can have consumers choose at different levels of what they want to see on the screen. That really heightens the entire experience of walking into a showroom and seeing various slideshows and LEDs. Let me go back out. So the use cases are immense in this case. You can use it in retail outlets, in malls, in clothing showrooms, even in restaurants where consumers can go ahead and select from various menus. And the beauty is that it increases the interactivity to a much higher level and completely engages a consumer with what he's seeing. So the next app that I'd like to show you is the Info app. And what we've done here is a perfect quick info detailer for your hotel lobby or maybe even an event conference. So as a consumer, I just walk in front of the screen, and as I put my hand up, I can go ahead and see the various options available at a hotel. Now a typical hotel lobby would have a timed LED slideshow going on. Now consumers can walk in, put their hand over anything that they want, and there it gets selected. So I just selected the activities. I can see what's available in that. Let me go a step further. I want to know a little bit more about the pool. I can just put my hand over it and it gets selected with great ease. So I can see the photos of the pool. I can see a little bit of info about it. And to go out, all I need to go is take my hand near the X, and there I go. I'm back out from where I came. So choosing, selecting, and moving around the application is really easy, and it's all from a distance, and it's all extremely simple. You can even use this for data analytics to see what consumers are interacting most with. Let me go into the Burj Al Arab, the more info details. I can go ahead and scroll down, see a little bit more about the details, about the contacts, and everything's available at my fingertips. And analytics for this is great, so you know what people are looking at, what's interesting the crowds, and here's the residences. I can go ahead, scroll down on that, move back out. So navigation is extremely simple, very intuitive and easy for anyone, not very complicated. I can go into restaurants, see the various restaurants available, click in one, and go in further and see what's there about that, see the photos, see the cuisine, and go back out. So this app is extremely useful for these kind of environments where you need a large screen and you want consumers to interact with that. And the best part about this technology is that anyone can come in front of the screen and take control. So let me just have my co-founder Raghav come in front.
Thanks, Abhinav. The fluid motion was designed for seamless handover. Abhinav walks out, I walk in, and suddenly I have mouse control all over the screen. So let me explore. I wanted to see some of those residences Abhinav was talking about. Great, I have the information here. I want to see more. I just take my hand over here and I'm scrolling through information. Now if we compare this to a typical touch screen, this is the same interactivity at a fraction of a cost. In fact, with the touch screen, I would have to go all over and keep touching it. Out here, I'm standing back, I'm seeing the content, and I'm relaxed and I'm enjoying it. The fluid motion system is already launched and we are very excited to see you use it.